Are you all in, or are you just sort of dabbling in real estate, hoping for what you heard is a quick and easy money? Both of these personas exist in our industry, but only one has longevity. The real professionals will always outlast the hobbyists, which begs the question, what does it take to become a true professional in real estate? I have identified 12 traits of a true real estate professional. How many of them do you live up to? In part 1 of this video, I will share 6 of those traits. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsen, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe below to get insights on how to grow your real estate business. Real estate pro trait number 1. They set goals, write plans, and execute on their plans. This one's simple enough. Obviously, to achieve big things requires goal setting and a business plan for how you will achieve those goals. Then it takes the discipline to actually execute your plan instead of getting distracted and pulled in a million different directions. Real estate pro trait number 2. They have a strong work ethic, a whatever it takes spirit. Remember what I have been saying and what we see from our coaching members' experiences. 10% of success is knowing what to do and how to do it. The other 90% is actually doing the work. If you're not willing to work, if you tire easily, if you are not fully committed, you are not going to rise to the level of a true real estate professional. Real estate pro trait number 3. They use technology to improve efficiency, speed, and provide a better experience to their clients and give convenience. If you caught any of my episodes before, you know that being pretty good isn't good enough. You need to be providing the type of service that wows your client and gets them to talk to you. That's what professionals do. And they do the same thing when it comes to making things easier on themselves by investing in technology to improve efficiencies in their business. Is your tech really moving the needle for you, your team, and your clients? Real estate pro trait number 4. They are good listeners and approach each customer with empathy, understanding, and respect. Put yourself in consumers' shoes. Make an effort to understand what makes them unique. Meet not only their housing desires but their emotional needs. Stop talking and listen. Real estate pro trait number 5. They are knowledgeable about the process and know how to guide clients successfully through real estate transactions. Most agents probably say this one is a no-brainer, but what about when variables get introduced? How broad is your scope to successfully guide people through a transaction when there are outside the box factor involved? My point here is that you should never become content that you know it all, because there is always a new twist to encounter coming around the bend. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving how you do things always. Real estate pro trait number 6. Professional realtors set realistic expectation for themselves and for their clients. They don't promise what's not possible or reasonable. Professionalism is all about taking a long-term perspective. Hobbyists and hacks set themselves up for failure, or at best short-term success, by over-promising and under-delivering. A recent 1000-watt consumer review found that open, honest communication is the number 1 thing people are looking for to gain trust in their real estate agent. Professionals provide honest, straightforward advice to prepare people for the realities of what they are likely to face, and then they build long-term relationship with those clients in the process. So how many of these 6 traits can you say you demonstrate on a consistent basis? What do you need to work on as a result? That's all for today. Look out for part 2 of this video on 6 other traits of a real estate pro. And as always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel. Check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.